Okay, so now you've completed your snake project. A couple of things that can sometimes happen. Unravel, just a little bit. It depends on the quality of the masking tape that you use and how much paint is actually applied. If the paint's really wet, it'll sometimes make the masking tape unravel. If this happens, all you need to do is tape it up again, paint it over again, and it'll look just like it did. Don't worry about certain areas. Sometimes if it comes unraveled in one place, you can wrap it with foil and cover that up, no problem. Everything can be applied again. Other things that can happen, sequins can fall off, they can be glued back on again. And again, like with the tongue, you can always just staple it on to make sure that that doesn't come out again. So a staple, some foil, and paint and tape will repair your snake, no problem. You can also add different colors to your snake. So if you change your mind and you don't like the way the snake looks, or you'd like to add more color, you can always come back and do a little bit more.